Yet again, this is Ojas Rajani back with a bang with SSBeauty to create some magic with my muse Dhanashree. You always want to overplay to look glam in the night, and we work women don't have time at all. So a quick fix which is within 5 to 10 minutes is what we're going to showcase here. Stay tuned, don't you go nowhere. As the day passes at work, we're looking stressed out, we're looking tired, we have laugh lines, stress lines, under eye lines. What better way than to have the stunning Smashbox primer which comes to the rescue. So I'm going to take a bit of it, massage it on the palm and use the magic on the under eye. Or sometimes if pores showing a little too much of uneven skin tone, and bang on, you take care of all the creases, crevices, everything that ever existed. And boom, you feel your face is matte, clean, squeaky clean. We have two options for a touch-up. Basically, go straight for the compact or go straight with the foundation. I would use both, a mix of each, because I want the makeup to last long, make me look like a sultry goddess all night. So we start with the foundation first. So I'm going to take just a drop, which is more than enough to suffice the entire face. And I'm going to take a flat brush like this so it doesn't disturb the rest of the face. And again, like I always say, use the tapping technique. It always comes to your rescue. Last but the least, I'm going to powder it so it doesn't budge at all. Again, I'm going to take a little bit of the pressed powder foundation and just dab under the eyes, maybe on the cheeks, or wherever I feel a little shiny or feel a little blotchy. And there I am, having the perfect canvas for the night. And look at the difference that is created on one side. It actually makes me feel refreshed. Nobody say I had a hard day at work, I was tired, I was stressed out, and boom, I'm already fresh without any lipstick on my face, yet my base looks put completely. Since we have a time crunch and I need to go for a party, and so does she, I'm going to take this favorite palette of mine from Givenchy and showcase a little shimmer shine sparkle, which is the look for the evening. So this is so easy, you can just do it without a brush. Also can again show you, take your fingers and just tap, there is no fallout. And there's a lovely two-tone eyeshadow pigment which looks fabulous. The more you blend it, has a blue, green and a pink undertone, spreading, which works really nice. So one palette works beautiful. I get the brow bone rounding, I get the crease, I get the shimmer, I get the sparkle. This is stunning and really helpful, Givenchy all the way. I have the stunning Valentino pencil which glides beautifully. It's silky smooth. As the day passes, I get droopy, our eyes feel tired. Best way is to just use the pencil in the waterline and open your eyes further for that extra glam, fresh look. And there you see your eyes are wide awake and they look beautiful. Like I always say, eyes get droopy, so we've done the waterline and now we're going to use the curler, because curler actually opens up your eye and gives that little sparkling, fresh look. So here we go. And last but not least, my favorite is the mascara by my favorite brand M.A.C, the Intense Volumizing Mascara, which really works miraculously. You shall witness this right here, right now. So like you notice, one coat of mascara is doing its magic. So imagine if I put 2 or 3 coats, it's going to be real like a bomb. It actually accentuates the eye shape and makes it look extra glam. But that's just not it. Stay tuned, because I'm using another favorite brand and a product of mine, the Bobbi Brown Shimmer Pencil, which is by far the favorite of Deepika Padukone. So if you ever get to see her makeup or you get a chance to work with her, this is what she loves. You can again use this multi-purpose. You could use it inside the waterline. You can use it as an eyeshadow. Do what you like with it. So I'm going to use it inside the waterline just to brighten the eyes. And there are various colors in this. It's extremely smooth and gentle, and I think it does its magic tremendously. What a pretty color, and the name says it all, peaches. So I'm going to use a lot of blush. Look up. I want to look fresh, I want to look dewy, and yet I want to look glam. So the trick is to do it all with the under eye apple of the cheeks because she has a lovely lean face. So I'm not worried about her cheekbones popping up. And a little bit on the forehead. And there you have a lovely sun-kissed, beautiful glow. So now this goddess is already in her outfit, ready to go party and sizzle. We're going to give our final touch with the lip stain. I think lipstick is something which makes or breaks a face, and I think for something who's as sultry as her, I think this color by MAC, which is by far the most favorite of all makeup artists worldwide, and I think I personally love this because the color is so magical, be it a fair tone, medium tone or a dark tone. I think it goes for everybody. So yeah, we begin and show you magic happens right here. And one color that goes with this pencil gorgeously is the Color Riche by L'Oreal Paris, which is a really beautiful color. Wait and watch how we create magic furthermore. Smile. No makeup is finished without the Fix and Mist by MAC. So here we are going all out, spritzing so much of the fixer that even if you go partying in the most humid places, your makeup is not going to budge. It's going to be just the way till you wake up. I've just woke up like this. That's the trick of this lovely spray. Hey, this is Ojas Rajani signing off. I hope you had a blast because we surely did. And look forward to seeing you really soon. We're out to go and party, but I hope you had a blast. Do share your comments, likes, and do subscribe to us. See you soon. Lots of love. God bless.